प्रोविडन्सान जालें कितें थोडे दीस फाटीं स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्साचे एक लेडी एडमीट आसलेले IPHBन आनी थोडे दीस फाटीं डॉक्टरान ताका डिस्चार्ज सर्टिफिकेट दिली आनी ताका धाडलें सांगलें की शी इज फिट फॉर डिस्चार्ज म्हणून. पण एक्चुअली ती पेशंट बरे तितले हे नासलें ते वीक आसलेले ते पेशंट आनी क्रॉनिक केस तरी आसतना डॉक्टरान डिसायड केलें की ताका डिस्चार्ज दिवचें म्हणून. फिट फॉर डिस्चार्ज म्हणून सर्टिफिकेट दिलें आनी त्या बायलेक IPHBन डिस्चार्ज केले आनी ताका कितें पयशे दिले दिसता बसीन बसपाक आनी ताका धाडलें. ती बायल मारगांव बस स्टँड वास्को बस स्टँडाचेर रातचें न्हिदले. तिका एक्चुअली तिका टॅबलेटी कितें घेवपाक जाय पळय तें खबर नासलेलें सगळे ते कितें टॅबलेटी एक्शन दिसता ओवरडोस कितें घेतले तेणें आनी तिका सोडून तें न्हिदले. मागीर ताका कोणें तरी उठयलें आनी कोणें पळयलें आनी ताका अल्टिमेटली एक MLA दिसता इंटरव्यून जावन ताका फोर्सफुली IPHBन परत हाडलें आनी परत एडमीट केलें. सो असली गत जाल्या आमची IPHB भरल्या, पेशंटां भरल्या, मेंटल हेल्थ इन्क्रीज वाडत आसा कित्याक ते सोशल इकनॉमीक कंडिशन जावन ह्यो केसी वाडत आसा आनी जायते फावटी जायते भुरगे पासून हांव जाणा बिकॉज हांव एक व्हॉलंटियर म्हणून हांव थोडे घरांनी वयता. भुरगे मे बी 22, 25, 27 भुरगे हे IPHBन एडमीट जालेले आसा बिकॉज तांचे कितें तरी प्रॉब्लम जाला. मे बी ऑफ एब्यूज, मे बी ड्रग एब्यूज, मे बी सिगरेट, मे बी ड्रिंकींग. तशें जावन हे थोडे जाण सारके आहा ते क्रॉनीक केस जालेले आसा आनी ते IPHBन पडलेले आसा. आतां IPHB बोल्ला जाल्यार हो उपाय कितें करपाचें. IPHB जावन जायते फावटी थोडे पेशंट्स पळय आहा त्या टॅबलेटीन तर बरें जाता बरें दिसता तांकां एक हाफ वे होम ऑर कसले तरी रिहॅबिलिटेशन होम आसूंक जाय.
As per reports, there is a 35% rise in mental cases post-COVID pandemic. The real figure may be significantly higher. So, though a psychiatrist and coordinator of the district mental health program for South Goa is doing a good job, but they need more staff and more resources. It's because of the shortage of beds at IPHB and the need for halfway homes. At the halfway home, IPHB has actually moved better. Presently, all the beds are full, and the patient, if he is sent because he is mentally ill, is compulsorily discharged in 75 days. ताका सुट्टा बाहेर तो सुट्टा बाहेर वता कितें मुला म्हणटा पडतो येता तो स्पीकर सर अशें दिसता 64 पेशंट्स हाफ पे होम्स म्हणटा तेजे गरज आसा. सो हांव मंत्र्या कडेन मागता की ताणें एम्पॅनल करचें सर्वीस प्रोवायडर who have the expertise and experience in maintaining halfway homes. Because they have urgent allocation of funds for halfway homes in Mumbai. Because people with mental illness have a poorly society function. Because patients who are destitute and mentally ill are housed in IPHB instead of halfway homes. किती आता IPHB नव्या पेशंट्स आणि जेन्युइन पेशंट्सांक येवपाकूच चान्स पडटा. हे पयस आहात जेमकां तुवें हाफवे होम्सांत घालूंक जाय आशिल्लें ते IPHB एक वेळा मुंबय सो हाफवे होम्स प्रोविजन करचें पडटलें.
This was raised in the assembly 2 years ago when we were making noise last 2 years. Okay, after you carry on.
सो ही दोन वर्सां फाटीं ही गजाल आतां असेंब्लीन विजय सरदेसायान उबारलेली आनी ताजो रिप्लाय ताणें आमच्या मिनिस्टरान दिल्ले. पूण आयज पासून म्हाका अशें दूख दिसता कितली 2 वर्सां जाली आनी आनीक एक 3 वर्सां धर तूं मिनिस्टर फॉर सोशल वेलफेअर तो कित्याक लागून फुडें सरना हाफ वे होम्स करपाक या रिहॅबिलिटेशन सेंटर्स ओपन करपाक कित्याक तो फुडें सरना तें आमकां कांय कळना आतां
We will show you the reply to Vijay's. I'm going to pause it here. He said it's just a beginning. He has stopped it. This minister has stopped the funding. He is saying that he is giving less and we are doing more. Okay?
सर तुम्ही आयकला ताजो रिप्लाय मिनिस्टराक तेणें दिला की तो आमकां हेल्प करतलो म्हणून स्ट्रीट प्रॉव्हिडन्साचें नांव पासून घेतलां तेणें आनी तो आमकां हेल्प करतलो पूण आयज पासून आतां 1 वर्स जालें मायज जालें की एक पयसो येना फ्रॉम द डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ सोशल वेलफेअर टू लूक आफ्टर ऑल दीज ladies and all the gents who we have in the homes.
So I'll interrupt you now. Okay. What is this point was raised in the assembly. First they said in the assembly we have not given utilization certificate, which is a lie. We have written to all 3 departments asking for clarity, no clarity. Then they said we have not given the documents. So there is one catch in that document. Documents means what? They are asking for their Aadhaar card and disability certificate. Listen what the minister is saying, how to get a disability certificate. Same minister. So this is the minister's reply which we are putting on social media. Why we cannot submit a document? Because the own minister is saying it is difficult to get a disability certificate. He is admitting. Go ahead.
So आता आम्ही आयकला ते भाशेन स्ट्रीट प्रॉव्हिडन्साची फायल आसा मिनिस्टरा कडेन आयज पासून तो मिनिस्टर सुभाष फळदेसाय ती फायल कित्याक क्लियर करना आयज पासून तो बसला घेवन ती फायल कित्याक लागून सीएमान बजेट ऑलरेडी एलोकेट केलेलें आसा फॉर डिसेबिलिटीज and for mental illness and for rehabilitation. CM already has raised the budget last year. आज पासून एक पैसो येवंक ना कित्याक लागून कोणे दिवपाक जाय आसले ते पैसे कोणे सायन मारूंक जाय आसलेली ते सुभाष फळदेसायन सायन मारूंक जाय आसलेली फायल ती आनी सबमीट करूंक जाय आसलें, दिवंक जाय आसलें हे ते फुडें प्रोसेस करपाक. कित्याक ती फायल अजून पासून आहा भितर. आतां हांव पॉयंट आउट करता.
Listen to this.
NGO आसा जी सोशल
This is again raised in the assembly.
स्टेट प्रोविडन्स म्हणटा ते एक NGO आसा जी सोशल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंट सपोर्ट्स. ही हॅज गॉट मल्टिपल अशे हें आसात तांचे घरां आसात ज्या जाग्याचेर दे टेक केअर ऑफ ऑल दोज सिनियर सिटीजन्स, ऑल दोज हू डू नॉट हॅव इन दर फॅमिली मेंबर्स. स्टेट प्रोविडन्स म्हणटा ते एक NGO आसा जी सोशल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंट सपोर्ट्स. ही हॅज गॉट मल्टिपल अशे हें आसात तांचे घरां आसात ज्या जाग्याचेर दे टेक केअर ऑफ ऑल दोज सिनियर सिटीजन्स, ऑल दोज हू डू नॉट हॅव इन दर फॅमिली मेंबर्स. स्टेट प्रोविडन्स म्हणटा ते एक NGO आसा जी सोशल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंट सपोर्ट्स. ही हॅज गॉट मल्टिपल अशे हें आसात तांचे घरां आसात ज्या जाग्याचेर दे टेक केअर ऑफ ऑल दोज
Now, Minister wants these things to happen. Minister has told me on my face, which I should not tell, but I will tell. He said why we should give money for mad people. They are not productive. Now, what do we do with these people? You have taken 30 people from me and put in provisoria. Have you taken them with their documents? No. Then how did you put them in provisoria without any documents? Are you giving provisoria 15,000 rupees per patient per month? No. So what do we do? What do we do with such people? How am I going to foot the bills? Let people, that girl who has been on the street for the last 12 years was put in the IPHB. I have told the doctors, don't discharge her. Still they have discharged her and put her on the street. And then they were refusing to take her back. Because the MLA intervened, she has got placed back. Last 6 months, CM is promising through various sources to look into the matter and solve the problem. He is not calling me, giving me an appointment last 6 months. People who are giving illegal things to the police, he is giving them appointment. And here we are working with the police and we are giving so many things. Nobody is giving us appointment. Where are we going to go from here? This problem is rising. Today, the doctors at IPHB have clearly stated there is a mental health crisis at IPHB. This is not my report. This is what the report is. The capacity is 190, which you all heard. But continuously it is above 200. I'll give you the dates also. I will specify the dates also. What is the count at IPHB? Roughly, just 2 minutes. Today, it is 203 plus 1 is in JMC. Okay? First, it was 201 plus 1 in JMC. 28, 202 plus 1. It is continuously above 200. The union budget should have given something for shelter homes across the country for persons with disabilities. I was expecting, because there is a Supreme Court order expected one of these days and the central government is not replying to them. There is a Supreme Court order which is about to come, but central government is not replying to them. So how are the people, the vulnerable section of society, going to live in society? How are they going to live? Where are they going to live? You will have murders happening on the street because of mental disability. You will have abductions, rapes, molestations happening on the street. So we are now going to visit CM today, just now, with these people, and ask CM, you see, there is a February this order is supposed to come. The government of India for 1 year has delayed by not replying to this petition. We are having 15% population of our country in this bracket. There is 225 million. So my issue is, CM has assured to look into the matter, but he is not solving the matter. We are told by sources, CM cannot interfere in the Subhash Phaldesai's ministry. That also we have got information. Subhash Phaldesai is spoiling my name by telling the press, I don't have any people, I have taken money. He is not telling what he has told me. Till June we have been troubling Subhash Phaldesai, but he is not giving a straight reply. That's why we took the morcha to the assembly, and there was a reason. We were challenged by both the directors, why all are making trouble, go to the assembly and make trouble. And we went there. Second thing, Subhash Paldesa is telling me to convert my trust into a society. To convert a trust into society is not that easy. Mental Act clearly states any organization looking after people with mental disabilities has got a right to take money from the government. So when you all change the rules for Provisoria, that is okay. When the NGO wants to get the money, you all are not giving. But in the assembly, you all are speaking about street providence. So we cannot go on with this. We cannot go on with this. We are running out of resources. Till last night, 11 o'clock, I was trying to get an appointment with CM, but somehow it did not connect. So we are in a situation where the last sector also is getting disturbed, that is the mental sector. They are throwing, every month they are got target to throw out 30 people. Come what may. The doctors are putting the blame on the board and the board is putting the blame on the doctors. Doctor says fit for discharge because he's got a target to empty the bed. He sends it to the board. Judge Ashley Norona and his team is there. They say fit for discharge, doctor has recommended. Again the patient comes inside. So by raising these questions in the assembly has not solved any problem. It is the same problems. It is the same situation and it is getting worse. Even police are not picking up people. Where will they put? Even we are not taking people. Now only last month, January, we have taken 12 people or 11 people out of on humanitarian grounds. So we need to meet CM today with these ladies and tell CM, Baba, you have called them your daughters, you have called them your sisters and your mothers when we visited you on 2nd of October 2024. But you are not treating them like that. You are treating them like they don't belong to society. Just because they are suffering with disability doesn't mean you'll throw them out and they got no return value.
See, I have two acts before me. Everything is self-explanatory. Everything has been decided on these two acts. Now, we will have to take a decision whether we should penalize the Goa government based on these acts and go to the court and get relief, or the minister has to bow down and do what is required for people with mental disabilities and also persons with disabilities. So these two acts, we will have to act, we will do it, and we will prove that we are right and we are fighting for the good reason. Such people don't deserve to be brought onto the streets again and again. परत तांकां हेचेर हाडपाक रस्त्यार हाडपाक आमचे कडेन ते जायना आनी आमकां कितले ट्रान्सपोर्टाक पसून आमी कितले त्रास काडटात पूण तांकां हाडटा कित्याक आमी दाखोवपाक की बाबा तो मिनिस्टर सांगता ना हेंकोणाक कांय ना हेंकोणाक कोण ना आनीक हाडपाक जावंक शकता पूण आमी हाडिना थोडे जाण पेशंट दुयेंत आसा हे अशें कित्याक करता तुमी Why is it so that the minister does not have a heart of compassion to such people? कित्याक ताका दुखा ना मनीस न्हू तूं तुजें मनशापण एटलीस्ट मनशापण तरी सांबाळा अशें करप परत अशें करप
एक काम करू महेश
ही परिस्थिती पळय ही परिस्थिती तांकां सुद्दां आयज प्रोटेस्ट करपा लागून हक्काक लागून तांकां येवन हांगासर बसचें पडटा आनी हांगासर बसले उपरांत तेंची हालत पळय शी वॉज अनकॉन्शियस लिटल वाय म्हळ्यार आज म्हाका एक कळना की हे जे इलेक्ट जावन रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह असेंब्लीन वयता आनी असेंब्लीन जे डिस्कशनां जाता तेजेर तुमी मात तरी अभ्यास करता आनी ताच्या नंतर इम्प्लिमेंटेशन जाता जे भशेन 2 वर्सां जाले सांगलेल्याक हे डिस्कस केल्ल्याक की हांगासर प्रोविजन ना म्हणून आनी जाल्यार तर प्रोविजन ना जाल्यार बजट ना पयसो ना 25 कोटी मोडपाक मॉला कडेन तुमचे कडेन पयसो आसा 25 crores has been spent already but you do not have this money to build another IPHB नाजाल्यार आनी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वाडोवपा खातीर तुम्ही लोकांक भायर काडटा भायर सोडलेले आसतना परत हाडटा परत मागीर तांकां बस स्टँडार बसचें पडटा बस स्टँडार धरता वॉट इज दीस नॉनसेन्स पयशे खंय वयता रे 30,000 कोटीचो बजेट आसा मरे वर्साक useless ministers sitting in the assembly. म्हाका जाल्यार दिसता सुभाष फळदेसाय have to more concentrate on this social welfare department, social जे काम असता पळय लोकांचे तेजेर फोकस करपाक जाय. न्हू ते स्टॅच्यू घालपाक. You are busy in putting up statues in the Christian areas. Stop this nonsense. Focus on the right issues. आज तांकां येवन तुम्ही हांगासर बसवाचे पळय तेजी बायलेची हालत पळय ती. See the situation. मुद्दम तो just focus there. पळया तेंची मात तरी दुःख घ्या रे प्रत्येक फॅमिलीन मरे आमचे कोण ना कोण बरी ना जाता पळय तेन्ना आमकां खबर आसता कितें प्रॉब्लेम ते. एटलीस्ट सुभाष फळदेसाय should never forget. I will pray that Subhash Faldesai's daughter get well soon. बरे उरचे म्हणून बरे जावचे म्हणून हांव सदांच देवाकडे मागता. पूण ताणें बीन चिंतपाक जाय बाकीचे लोकांचे, बाकीचे जे मेंटल पेशंट्स आसा, फिजिकली चॅलेंज पेशंट आसा यांचे चिंतचे ताणें. बेस्ट मिनिस्ट्री घेवन बसनाका. इफ यू कॅनॉट फंक्शन, इफ यू कॅनॉट वर्क फॉर द पीपल, देन प्लीज रिझाइन फ्रॉम दॅट पोर्टफोलिओ. अँड चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रमोद सावंत हांव इतलें सांगूंक सोदतां, तू जे ते पोर्टफोलिओ आपल्या भावाक लागून तो पोर्टफोलिओ तेजे कडेन दिल्लो आहा पळय ते भावाचे रिलेशन बंद करात. हुएवर इज केपेबल इन 33 आमदार जे आसा, ती 33 आमदार आहा, ते 33 आमदारान कोण केपेबल आसा पळय आनी ताका कन्सर्न आसा पळय, एटलीस्ट मातशी हांव म्हणना 100%, एटलीस्ट 10% कन्सर्न आहा असल्या लोकां खातीर ताका पोर्टफोलिओ दियात. दिस इज नॉनसेन्स, टोटली रेडिक्युलस. आज सकाळी जेन्ना हांवें आयकलें बाबा आरतूर बाबा कडेन की सकाळी प्रोटेस्ट जाता म्हणून आझाद मैदानाक आनी कोणाक घेवन असल्या लोकांक, हू आर पेशंट्स, who are patients. How can you bring these people here, man? ह्या लोकांक हांगासर हाडप म्हाका सांग, विचार करात हेजेर, मात तरी विचार करात.
I'll show you one letter. It is clearly written there is no provision for shelter home for women on the street, and this lady is living on the street last 12 years. So let her live on the street. And where is the money gone which the CM has given in the budget? From that budget you have taken out some money, 50 lakhs, and given us 6 months back. So what about the balance money?
सगळं करप्शन.
अरे तुम्ही स्वतः
आणि काल म्हणता तुम्ही आमचो दामू नाईक इज सेइंग देयर इज नो करप्शन त्याला बजेट अलोकेट केल्लो आसा तेन्ना असे लोक रस्त्यार कित्याक पडटा रे?
आम्ही तर एक व्हिडिओ प्ले करीत न्हू, फक्त एकूच व्हिडिओ प्ले करीत विथ ऑडिओ, व्हिज्युअल, एव्हरीथिंग. इट कॅनॉट बी AI, बिकॉज देर आर मेनी पीपल इन दॅट व्हिडिओ. करप्शन विल कम आउट. आम्ही ते प्रॉमिस केला आम्ही प्ले करचे ना, आम्ही झगडटले, बट वी विल नॉट गो टू दॅट लेवल टू पुट द व्हिडिओ आउट. And the person who has on that video, he has confessed to his boss, yes, I have said like that. तो म्हणता मरे CM आपल्याचे बॉसला, आणि तो मिनिस्टर चोर म्हणता. तो इतले पैसे त्याने काढला याच्या नावान त्याच्या नावान, कितें सांगता तो, आणि उलय सांगता रेकॉर्ड कर. See, we cannot go ahead. We have to meet CM today. See, today we have brought only 10 people. We were supposed to bring 200 people and come. Half of them are stressed at you. So that's why we didn't bring 200.
नो आता कितें करया ना मरे, तांकां आतां प्रत्येक फावटी लोकांनी भायर सरपाचें जाल्यार आतां हें व्हरता आनी मिनिस्टरच्या दारान बसयता. तांकां व्हरपाचें आनी मिनिस्टरच्या दारान बसया, कित्याक लागून हांगासर हाडपाक जाय आझाद मैदानाचेर. नेक्स्ट टायम बी केअरफुल. हे तर इश्यू तर रिझॉल्व जायना न्ही. यू गिव द स्टेटमेंट. हांगासर
we are saying what you don't have the money now. Don't give us the money. You all siphon off the money. No problem. Okay, we'll manage. What we have to do, we'll manage. Give us a system. Today we don't have a system. 3 years back, the current SP, Harish Madkaikar, he was that time DYSP. He and Rajan Prabhudesai, who has also become now SP, both of them had a meeting with me, with Guru Pavaskar, who is the Disability Commissioner. Both these people told directly Guru Pavaskar, we are not even supposed to talk to you because you have not notified the homes for persons with disability, which is called midway homes. 3 years have passed. I am eating Guru's brains up. I am eating the director's brains up. We are eating the minister's brains up. We are eating CM's brains up. Where is the system? Where is the system? Who is going? We are going to break our head, and then you will blame the NGOs. So always the NGOs are bad, and the government is good. The administration is good. So direct सांगता मरे CM आपल्याचे वसन सांग म्हणटा का तो.
These acts are only on the papers. हे फक्त बुकांचेर उरले acts. ग्राउंडार कांयच ना, इम्प्लिमेंटेशन कांयच ना. हे फक्त मरे बरोवन दिल्ले आसा कशें हेल्प करप, कितें करप ह्या लोकां खातीर. These acts remains only on the books.
आता प्रश्न मातशें आतूर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आमी आमकां उगड आसा लास्ट तुमी थोडे लोकांक हिंगा सांडून गेले कित्याक द गव्हर्मेंट वॉज नॉट हँडलिंग दियर दीस बट स्टील यू आर कंटिन्यूड विथ सम who people were donating and taking us to take care of them. Now what has changed post that, because you all were not supposed to do any public service further, what has changed after that now?
Nothing has changed. As per what happened last year, till today nothing has changed. There is no change of heart. There is no change of compassion. I am before the Goa Human Rights Commission on the same matter. I am before them. I have complained. 5 months have passed. 5 महीने झाले. Government is refusing to file its reply. आजपासून गव्हर्नमेंटान रिप्लाय दिवंक ना. चीफ सेक्रेटरीक पेटिशन केलें. चीफ सेक्रेटरी येवंक सोदिना. चीफ सेक्रेटरी doesn't want to come and appear before the Human Rights Commission. But he is asking.
And the directors of both the departments are saying, good, you have dragged the chief secretary inside because he is stopping the file. Carry forward.
The chief secretary is having meetings, coordination meetings with all the other departments, but there is nothing coming out of it. Just deadlines. Just we will do this, we will do that. Now is the time to act, and I will take it forward. Not only with the Goa Human Rights Commission, but also if need me, go to the High Court and go to the Supreme Court. And Supreme Court has actually, we welcome that decision. The Honorable Supreme Court has actually told all the states to prioritize such cases, to prioritize people with disabilities and to prioritize people with mental health. So now, if the government refuses to listen, I'm telling you, since you asked me the question, what has changed? Nothing has changed. All this is just, they are making some statements here and there and prolonging the matter. And that is what they are also doing in the human rights. Making statements, prolonging the matter. Last time it was assembly. Last time they were, when I went for the hearing, they said the advocates have been appointed. They are yet to file their reply. All these things are going on. Now if the Goa government does not, and the chief secretary does not act, then we will be forced to take them to the law, and ask them to reply to this.
But before that, we will have to march to CM's house, come what may, and police will have to pick up all these 200 people if they don't allow us to march. We are saying what? There is a budget given. Fine. Money is reflecting in the budget. Where is that money gone? Okay, you are saying I have not given the document. Has Providoria given the document? No. How will I make the document when you only are saying that it is difficult to make the documents? So if you cannot give the money, let it get siphoned off. How you all siphoned off the money when that man died in Ayodhya? As soon as he died, the money was taken out, siphoned off. Same way you can siphon here, no problem. But give us a system. Give us something. You have a minister for Providoria, a director, a secretary, and staff. For how many patients? 300 patients. Give us somebody at least to work with us, na? For at least we also can get some administrative support. You go to this director, he says minister stop the file. You go to minister, he says director stop the file. You go to both, they say secretary stop the file. Arey, whole day I'm going to do this only. Then you'll have people piling up at IPHB and thrown out. In the last 5 months, after we have stopped, IPHB has crashed. And there is a reason. When you run a hospital, you require care. And in psychiatric, it is more. Now the hospital is going to double to 400 beds. I am telling you, they require minimum 1,000 beds to 1,500 beds to look after and treat those 400 patients. Otherwise, that 400 beds also will get full within 1 month. So those are called halfway homes. So you are no only Providoria. We are then Providoria. But Providoria was made for senior citizens. We are sending people to Providoria. They are saying we are not taking. We are sending like these people to Guru Pavaskar, Disability Commissioner. He is not helping. We are sending such patients to social welfare. They are saying we got nothing. We are sending such patients to person with disability department. They are saying we got no scheme. Then who is supposed to look after them?
Now this act also says that the Disability Commissioner should be there for only 3 years. For 3 years. and that too his qualification has to be, should be, it is mentioned there in the act, should be, the qualification should be that he should have knowledge and expertise in handling rehabilitation.
Which he has not.
Which he does not have.
I have nothing against Guru Pavaskar. He's a good man. But what happened? He is a BJP appointed man, and he is not considering rehabilitation issues from the time he has taken over. I am fighting with him non-stop. Guru Pavaskar, if you are seeing this message, I have lost all my faith in you. Besides your posh office and besides your perks, I don't see you as an individual anymore, having compassion, having empathy, and having any consideration for person. You are only stuck up with your NGO. You all have reached such a level that all the CSR grants you all only are taking. So take these people also, no? I had lot of faith in you last so many years. You look to be a man who could be trusted, but you are not taking control over these issues. I have written you emails, you are not replying. You are not even lifting my phone because you think I am going to record it. Today I roam with recorders everywhere and I talk to everybody on recording because people don't know what they promise us. But I remember because I am in the hot seat. You should not continue as the commissioner anymore. You should give chance to somebody else who will give his commitment towards rehabilitation because that is the need of the hour. Not the fairs, not these swimming programs, not these chess shows. It is not bringing relief to our poor people. Can't you all understand?
सी डिपार्टमेंट मरे डिपार्टमेंट सध्या कितें करता खबर आहा इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंटान बिजी आहा आयज चड इव्हेंट जाता इव्हेंट चड इम्प्लिमेंटेशन जे ग्राउंड रियलिटी जी आहा पळय लोकांक पावपाचें कमी गोंयचो इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंटाक चड घातिल्लो आसा तुमी मुद्दम पळय प्रत्येक फावटी सोशल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंटाचो इव्हेंट चालू आसा कंप्लीट इव्हेंट आनी कांयच ना पूण ग्राउंड रियलिटी जर पळोवपाक गेल्यार जाल्यार आयज प्रोविजनूच ना तुमी मुद्दम पळयात गोंयांत कितले बार एंड रेस्टॉरंट्स आसा आनी हे आमचे होलसेल्स आसा इतले होलसेल्स जाले आहा प्रत्येक गांवांत भुरगे 30 to 35 लिव्हर पिड्यार जाल्या कारणान मेल्ले आसात नाजाल्यार दुसरे म्हणटा ते वर्स्ट कंडिशन जावन IPH बीन आसात आतां ह्या भुरग्यांक जर रिहॅबिलिटेशन सेंटर जर तुमी घालूंक सोदिना पयसो ना काय कितें ना सांगा मागीर त्या भुरग्यांनी सर्वायवल कसो आपल्या फॅमिली कडेन परत कशें पावपाचें तेंच्यांनी सो यू आर नॉट कन्सर्न अबाउट दीस तुमकां जाता तितले लोक पियोन मरोंक पियोन तुमच्या कडल्यान कॅम्पेनिंग करप हेच तुमचे ड्रिम्स आसा कित्याक वेन द पीपल आर गोइंग टू बी अनएम्प्लॉयड वेन द पीपल आर गोइंग टू बी रोमिंग दीस वे सोऱ्याक लागून ते बसतले तेन्ना ते भुरगे तुमकां मेळटले इलेक्शना टायमार सो मे बी तुमचो इंटेन्शन जो आहा पळय तो गोंयकारांक बरें करून घरा पावोवपाचो ना हाफ वे होम म्हणटा पळय आमी डिस्कशन केलें दोन वर्सां पयलीं वी वे डिस्कसिंग हाफ वे होम लोकांक करपाचें बरें ना जाल्यार उपरांत थंयसर तांकां घालपाचें आनी ताच्या नंतर मागीर तेंच्यांनी 15 दीस थंय काडपाक खंय आहा वेर आर दोज हाफ वे होम्स
Quickly
This is
just
wrong,
tell us
this
what
is
is the today's what are you going to do next?
So now I have to take, now see, I will ask the police whether they are going to give permission or not, no? You see the police just pan out.
3 बसी हाडलेल्यो आहा
There are more than 60 policemen here, Mare.
हा कितले लोकांक व्हरपाक 3 बसी हाडलेल्यो आहा मातसो टर्न करो कॅमेरा दाखया लोकांक मातसो दाखया
3 बशी police. आणि हे किती रे? When they took 30 people from us and put in provisoria, I do not know whose wisdom they have kept one jeep and 5 policemen outside Kandoli provisoria for 1 month. For what reason? Where has the system reached that you all don't trust us and you all are fighting with us, making us fight with you all? Baba, CM, you are the last option for us. Okay, we understand you have got some compulsion, you have got some restriction, but your police also are suffering. Your police also are suffering. They don't know what to do. That day we took one man who was on the street for 5 months with his leg as big as a balloon. तोही पुलीस सांगता बाबा आम्ही BLR हाडपाक तुजेशी तू फाल्यां व्हरनार आमी कितें करूं सांग आतां आमचो परिस्थिती इतलो जाला की लोक आमकांय भियेता कॉल करपाक पूण लोकांक रावनी रस्त्यार और गिव सम हेल्पलायन नो गिव सम नंबर्स वेर पीपल कॅन कॉल सी दिस मॅन 5 months he stayed at Mapsa bus stand senior citizen no shelter for him police also will not pick him up where will they put so we are waiting now to go to CM's house and tell him, sir, you are not meeting us, so we are come to meet you.